Hello friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is Cookies and Candy 25. And this is day 3 of candy. Our host is the Inquisitive Farm Wife. Please check out our channel and everybody in the playlist. Today we are making turtles. Okay, first we're going to arrange our pecans in a nice cluster. And we're going to do this 20 times. Okay, you ready? Huh?
I don't know if it's gonna stay.
What?
Oh, I thought they were piling on top of each other.
No. That's why I was teasing you about Jenga. Because then you pull your caramel right there.
These are too small. Put them together. I got the small stuff. There's a big one.
Something smells like pea.
Yeah, fine. These.
How many do we have done? 2,
don't know.
4, 6, 8.
That didn't come out too. And some of these are real small.
Then just get the bigger ones. They got other ones in there. We won't use the whole bag, that's for sure. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's the pieces. Okay, that unwrapped 20 caramels. I'm gonna just put it in the microwave on 30-second increments and stir in between until these are all melted. Okay, we're gonna add a teaspoon of caramel in the center of each one. I went a little overboard with the caramel So I only got 10, but that's okay. I'm gonna leave it at that. And we're gonna melt 1 cup of chocolate and put over these. And that will be our turtle. 1 cup of chocolate. Mine happens to be these wafers, but you can also use chocolate chips. Okay, we got our chocolate melted. I just did the 30 seconds and stirred until it was all melted. I like to scrape down my chocolate and make sure I get it all out of there.